In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade options on TradingView with this step-by-step tutorial. Trading options can be an exciting way to engage in financial markets, offering flexibility and potential for profit. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a newbie just stepping into the world of trading, following these instructions will help you navigate TradingView with ease. Let's kick things off by accessing the TradingView platform. Once you're on TradingView, you'll want to find the BTC/USD chart. You can do this by navigating to the search bar at the top and entering BTC/USD. This will take you to the live chart where you can view the details of Bitcoin's trading activity against the US dollar. Click on it to bring up the detailed chart view. Now, it's time to focus on the chart interface. Look for the Options button on the platform. It's usually located in the toolbar menu. Clicking on this button will allow you to access the options trading panel, where we'll dive into setting up an options trade. This interface is your primary workspace for managing options, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll notice a section where you can search and type in the specific options you're interested in. Suppose we're trading PLTR options set for a certain expiry date. Input: PLTR options 19 SEP 2025 call 100 into the search area to retrieve the options data. Upon clicking on the option, you'll see detailed information regarding pricing and availability. Next, locate the trading panel to engage in some practice trading using TradingView's brokerage simulator. This feature allows you to simulate trades without real monetary risk, making it perfect for honing your trading strategies. Click on the trading panel and then select Brokerage Simulator by TradingView. Connect to this simulator so you can place and manage trades. Now, move to the Orders section. Here, you can go through potential orders. Let's specify the price at which you want to buy or sell. Click on the price. Within our example, we'll use 67.85. Adjust the parameters to set your preferred limits or strategies. After configuring your order, click on Send to simulate the trade order. The system should process it promptly. Finally, go back to the main toolbar and click on Trade to review your order and positions. You should verify the details like quantity and price to ensure everything aligns with your trading plan. For example, check the 1 PLTR 250919C100.0 at 69.05 LMT, which indicates a specific options trade at a designated limit price. This process outlines how to efficiently set up, modify, and execute options trades on TradingView. Feel free to familiarize yourself further with each component of the platform, as becoming proficient takes time and practice. Keep testing your strategies with the simulator before going live with actual funds. Happy trading, and remember to trade carefully and